Welcome to the Smarter Surveys tutorial series. This tutorial demonstrates how to use the survey scheduler. To begin, go to your own custom URL of Smarter Surveys. For demo purposes, we'll be using the demo site. Click the Administrators box and then log in using your own personal credentials. Once you've reached the dashboard view, go to Survey Management, My Surveys, and Survey List. From the survey list, locate the survey you wish to schedule, and then go to the far right and click the calendar icon under the word Schedule. From the survey scheduler, begin inputting your information beginning with the survey title. You may also include survey instructions, which would appear at the top of each survey but are optional. Then select the term of data from which you wish to pull your courses and users from. Select your delivery method and determine the open and close date from which you want the survey to be available to your students and the closing date as well. Click Next to continue. Select the survey participant, or in this case, who will be the surveyee, and of course students will apply. By default, it will go to all subgroups. However, you can have the ability to select a different group if you wish. You also have the ability to restrict offensive responses, which sometimes comes into play with the open text questions. Click Next to continue. Under Survey Type, determine if this will be a user evaluation survey or a general survey. Then you must select the evaluated user, in this case faculty apply. You may also once again drill down to additional groups or let it remain at all subgroups. The multi-user evaluations are enabled, however you can disable those if you choose. To continue, click Next. You may also determine that you want to show the course roster. It remains disabled, however you may override that by clicking Enabled. This simply means the faculty member will have the ability to see the students who have completed the survey. Please make note that only the names show if there are 3 or more listed, and that of course helps protect the identity of the students in connection with their own survey. The real-time results have been enabled, however you may choose to disable those and determine the actual date the survey information will open for the faculty. So in this case, we'll open the results the day after the surveys have been closed for the students. We also are going to leave those open indefinitely, although you may choose to close those if you wish. Under Included Levels, you have the ability to drill down to determine which group or campus will receive the survey. For our purposes, we will go ahead and click Everyone. The last section to complete is the course display format. This allows you to determine the information your students will view once they receive their information about their surveys. So you may want to choose things that would be applicable to them, such as their campus name, their course name, and perhaps their section name. And as you see, a sample display of what the students will view. Click Next to continue. The final step will simply be to validate the schedule and make sure we've done everything correctly. According to our summary results, selections have been validated successfully. To schedule the survey, click Schedule Survey, keeping in mind that once you've scheduled the survey, changes may only be made prior to the launch of the survey. Once the survey has been opened to students, no additional modifications can be made. Thank you for joining us, and that is how you use the survey scheduler.